Hi, my name is Adam Aquino from AA Motorworks, and this is my 04 WRX wagon. It has a 235 G-stroke EJ25 motor built by me. It's got a 20G TD06 turbo running on a flex fuel kit, Carberry software tuned by Travis at Snail. There's so many cool things about this car. The car kind of fell in my lap, so decided to make it my fun street car.
Flying on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you on your bestie, yeah. Chopper with the skull, so do not test me, yeah. Rick Flair drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spent the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million-dollar, I'm a fool.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.
Yeah, I'ma put the drip on the plate. Yeah, diamond ice glaze, niggas imitate. Hey, hey, feed me grapes, maybe with the Drake. Slow pace in the rave, got this shit from base. Diamonds at the bar, the cookie hitting hard.
Twenty 21 pounds, huh?
How many cob flex fuel sensors are you running on this car?
That's just the bracket. That's for the gauge. So that's for that gauge, and then that's for the engine.
That gauge didn't have a 0 to 5 volt output?
Okay, so high and I'm looking at my rollie time. Fuck the ones, gotta call him for the 7th time. So sincere, but don't get out of line. AI and it's prime harden at the line. Swish, do it on me all night.
You'll get from point A to B pretty quick?
Yeah. Actually made pretty good torque for a
Short stroke.
Yep.
412 horse, 403 pounds.
Oh, fuck.
Going on the wall. I forgot you're a lefty.
404. Yeah, 443-ish. There you have it.
That's fucking brag board there, huh? A fucking street car.
First fill up on corn out of the pump.
Out of the pump. 279. 8 miles per gallon.
It's kind of expensive, 279.
It's not much cheaper than San Jose. Get on in there. Oh, need to select. That'd be good. Yeah.
There you go.
Yay.
Your thoughts?
My thoughts. Well, things went well. Car did what I expected it, which is good for turbo choice and motor build specs and whatnot. Motor held together just fine. No issues, no complaints from Travis as far as any weirdness with any of the live data. So, yeah, I'm happy. It's a fun little car.